Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today I'm going to be styling this 12-inch bob wig. It's a deep curly bob wig from the Beauty Hair. And you guys are just going to watch my curly hair routine, how I styled this hair. So let's get into the video. So first I start off looking like this, which is not okay. We have to tame these curls. So first I'm going in with my spray bottle, and I'm just going to spray the water just to get the curls all moist, so that I can start to play around with the hair and start to style it how I want to. So now taking a wide tooth comb, I'm just going to be combing through the hair just to get out any knots or tangles. And as you can see, the more moist that the hair is, the easier it is to comb through. So any dry parts, I'm just taking some water, I'm just spraying on them so that they're easier to comb through. So as I comb through the hair, you can kind of start to see the curl pattern, and it's super pretty. Like, look at that curl pattern. I love it. Now taking my Got To Be Curly mousse, I'm going to be putting this all over the top of my hair just to lay it down so that it looks flat and it doesn't look too bumpy. Now taking a paddle brush, I'm just going to be using that to comb through the curls, and as you can see, it is really helping defining these curls. Like, you can just see them way more. It's just so pretty. So after this step, I'm just going to be waiting a while and let my hair dry because it is still moist from all the products and water that I used. And next I'm going to be putting on the hot comb onto my hair, and you don't want to put any hot products on your wet hair because that's just going to burn it. Now that my hair has dried a little, I'm taking the hot comb and I'm getting ready to lay my hair down. I want it to be flat. I just like flat hair. Some people like it to be crazy, especially with curly hair, but I just like the top to be flat. So I'm just using the hot comb, and it's pretty self-explanatory from here. You guys can just watch me do what I do. The hair did come pre-plucked, so I did not bleach the knots and I did not pluck the hair at all. It just came just like this. All I did is cut the lace and apply the wig onto my head. I did not even add any baby hair, just in case you guys were wondering. Using my wet look styling gel, I like to just apply this onto the curls. And it's not a necessary step. I just like to do this because I feel like it does help hold the curl pattern for longer, and it stops them from frizzing if the hair does start to frizz. So that's why I like to use it, but it's optional. With curly hair, I always do suggest that you finger comb through the hair instead of using a comb, just to help keep the curl pattern. also optional. I'm just taking some hairspray just to keep the hair in place throughout the rest of the day. And that is really it, you guys. That's all I do. It's honestly not a lot of work. It takes about maybe 5 minutes the most. And then the hair comes out looking flawless for the rest of the day, you guys. So you guys, this is how the hair came out. This is a deep curly 12-inch bob from the Beauty Hair. And the hair is so soft, you guys. No matter how much product I put, no matter how much mousse I put, no matter how much gel I put, it's just so soft, you guys. Like, look. It's so bouncy, you guys. Like, it's so flowy and bouncy. It's so soft. I love how soft it is. It's so soft. I can't stop running my hands through it. Like, I'm messing up the curls right now because it's just so soft. But let's get into the specs about this hair. This hair is 12 inches, like I said previously. For 12 inches, it stops right at the shoulders, which is actually pretty good because I thought it was going to be like shorter. So the fact that it's right there is pretty good. When you pull the hair is actually a little longer. So if you wanted to straighten the hair, it would be a little longer, and that's also really cute. That's a style I might try with this hair. But overall, this hair is so soft. I can't stop playing in it. Like, it's so easy to move all around. Like, this is how curly hair should feel, you guys. So I definitely do love this bob. I'm not really a big fan of short hair, but I feel like it's something I should try more often. And I feel like this will definitely be a style that I will be trying more often. And it looks so natural. Like, a lot of people thought this was my actual hair. Like, it's so natural. The curls are so natural. And I'm feeling this wig. I definitely am. So far, I've only wore it in a side part. I'm not sure how it would look in the middle part. But I feel like the side part just gives curly hair justice. This is my first deep curly hair. I've tried a lot of curly hair, but this is my first deep curly hair. And I definitely think this would be so cute if it was longer as well. But it's awesome for a bob. It's just like a new look. It's different on me. A lot of people were feeling it when I dropped the photo on my Instagram. Everyone went wow. They were like, oh my god, I love this hairstyle. I like this look better. This is my favorite look. So I'm glad that you guys are feeling it. Even though it's curly hair, it's pretty short. So it's not really shedding much, honestly. Like, it's not shedding at all, really. Like, this hair is just so easy. It's lightweight. You don't have to worry about it feeling too heavy on your head. It's a bob. It's short. It's just really free, and I really like that. Once you get this wig on your head, you're good to go. Like, you can literally just do whatever you want with it. It's so free. It's so fluffy and nice. So if I had to rate this hair from a 1 to 10 for quality, I definitely give it a 9. It's really good. It's super soft. I have no problems with it. It's not shedding. And comment down below what you guys think. Do you guys think this is a look on me? How you like the short hair? Should I try short hair more often, you guys? But everything you need to know about a beauty hair will be in the description box down below. So make sure you guys go check them out. Go check out their website. If you guys want the direct link to this hair, I will have that as well. They also have a bunch of different type of hair, so definitely go check them out. You will not regret it. Everything about them will be in the description box down below. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, hit that subscribe button. Become part of the gang. Become part of the family. And I love you if you watch till the end. I will see you guys in my next video.